everybody, I am NicoD. Today something special. I'm gonna give you a tour of my workspace and I've also got a box to unbox. So I've gotten this from Frank from bol.com. Thank you, Frank. So all things that I can use here in my room to improve things. So we will look inside this box after I showed you around in my room, because there are reasons why I can use these things. There's also something for me for when I'm going on vacation, and then I'm gonna test that. So I'm gonna do reviews of all these things in separate videos. This is only to show what I've got. So here we go. So to start, here is my test area. Everybody has seen that. So right now I am testing the Rock-Pi 4 for some new Panfrost things. So that is all powered by this. So a lot of cables go over here just to power these SBCs. So the Raspberry Pi 4 is here also. Also the Orange Pi 3, yes, if I'm right. I also have got a lot of SBCs over there. Those are the ones that I'm not using for the moment. So my main SBC is of course the NanoPi M4 version 2. So that's my main desktop. I use it to watch video, I use it to browse the internet, I use it to download images, burn images, everything I need as a desktop computer, this does it. And also this is powered with this brick. It isn't a very good brick, it's a very cheap one. If I put too much into it, then everything fails. I think it's 4 amps or something like that. So with 4 amps you don't get very far. So I also always use this. So I've got a light above my keyboard. So that's with a power bank. So you know I always use power banks. Like here for instance. I'm using power bank for my film lights. These I made myself also. There's one over there also. If you would like to see how to make these film lights, just tell me. So here, the third part. This is my NAS server and my MP3 player. So that's an Orange Pi Plus. I've gotten this from a viewer. Thank you. I think it's William. Sorry, I forgot your name. So this also has got some speakers. I've got my main speakers here for watching video and so, but these speakers are very good to play music. So for instance, I will put this here right now. For instance, I can use my main computer, my main mouse to work on that. And for instance, I'm gonna play some music. Yeah, very good sound. Be careful for the copyright strikes. So with Barrier, I am sharing my keyboard here with the Orange Pi Plus. So the Orange Pi Plus has got a 256 gigabytes SSD with all my most important things on it. Everything that's important I put on here. It also has got a 1.5 terabytes USB 2 hard drive connected to it. That's with all my music on it, to listen to music of course. So here is my older NanoPi M4. It's got a little out of use because I've got now the NanoPi M4 version 2 and the Rock-Pi 4. So here I've got, take away the light. So here I've got an old Power Mac G5. I've gotten this from a friend, from Yuri. Thank you, Yuri. I've only turned it on once, but we will see it in some next videos. I will put Linux onto it, but that's for a next video. So here's some cables and some stuff I need to test cables. So, and as last, here is my Atomic Pi. I really love this. So I use this one mainly to build images for Armbian. It is a silent machine. It can run the whole night, can do whatever I want. I don't have to look at it. It also has got Windows, so I can play games on it. if my other PCs would be blocked, I can use it to enjoy myself. I'm very happy I've got this one. It's got its own keyboard and mouse, so this is totally separate. I can build images, I can do whatever I want, and then I can work with all my other computers. So as you see, there's a lot of cables that needs. So for example, here I've got some adapters, a lot of cables that go here, and that's not always such a pretty sight. So now let's go to the unboxing. So now to the main reason for this video. So this box that I have got. So all these products are from Choetech. So Choetech is a Chinese company. Many may think Chinese companies are bad. Not all Chinese companies are bad. Choetech tries to make the best products in the market. So I will test these. I will see if these really are the best in the market. So first let's open the box. I don't know what's all in here. I have got a guess, but I haven't seen it, of course. And I'm very thankful for it. Oh, a lot of peanuts. Oh, that's gonna be messy. So there's something over here. It's like Christmas with snow. So a 5-port USB charger with quick charge. So it's got 5 ports, 4 ports with USB type A and 1 port with USB type C. And how much watt or amperes can this do? So that one can only do 4 amps through 4 ports, I think. So, oh, I can't see it well. I need my light. I have got very bad eyes. So, this one does 60 watt. So 60 watt is incredible. 60 watt is 12 amps. Is that right? 12 amps. So this can do 12 amps. That is 4 times more than the one that I've got over there. So I can power every device at 5 volts or even at quick charge with this one power brick. So that is really awesome. I will open it and we'll see what is inside. So that is where they try to diverge. So they try to make it better than the competition. So you could even charge a laptop with this. So here it is, and it is with a plug over here. So we will test this later on in another video. So up to the next thing. I'm very happy with that. It will replace a lot of cables. That's too big. I'll take this. So another wall charger with USB. So I also have got some of these. And this one can give 3 amps at 5 volts, but of course it is PD, so it can go to 9 volts 3 amps, 12 volts 3 amps, 15 volts 3 amps, 20 volts 3 amps, and even 20.3 volts at 3 amps. So this one is again 60 watts. So that's incredible. Just a small wall plug. That is 60 watts. So here it is. It's with a USB type C, only one, but it can give up to 60 watt. So this one is again great to charge a laptop, great to charge big things. For example, for my big power banks, I just need to use this and they will be charged at their maximum capacity. So again, thank you very much. This is great. We will test this later on. Also, let's see what else is in here. I feel something. These are cables. So you know I am very special with my cables. I've got a love-hate relationship with my cables because when I go on vacation I need very good cables and sometimes good cables turn bad. And so I've had a lot of bad luck with cables. So I'm happy with this, and also there's a key hanger over here to go from micro USB to USB Type-C. So this is very handy. I can put this on my key. I will do that because I need this a lot of times. Very good. And then these cables. These are very special cables. They are woven, they are very strong. You should feel them. I've already read how much can go through these cables. This cable can do 100 watts. So that is awesome, that is incredible for a USB cable. So for me, for charging my power banks, there is not one power bank that can overload this cable. So this cable will be my rescue for charging my power banks in the summer with my solar panel. This is just awesome. I will test these, of course, and I will compare them with all my other cables I've got, again in a separate video, but I really love to have this cable. Thank you, Frank. It will come in very handy. Sticker. Become a VIP of Choetech. Choetech. I had never heard of Choetech, but now we all have. So they indeed make great products. Is that? So the last product is something special, something for me, something you couldn't give me a better gift than this. And I got this for free. I really got this for free, so I am very thankful for this. So what is it? It is a solar panel. You know, I've got some solar panels, but you can never have too many solar panels. Certainly I am using power banks constantly. In the summer I can charge them all with solar panels without an issue. And this looks really good. This really looks very pretty. Again, Choetech. Here is their logo. Oh, this looks like expensive handbags for ladies. Look at this. Oh my god. Look how pretty this looks. Open it. Oh, cool. So it's got 4 panels. I think 4 panels of 6 volts, I guess. And 1 amp. So it is in total 22 watts. An awesome solar panel. So I love solar panels. So this one is a little bit smaller than the ones that I'm using right now, but it is actually the same, it can do the same. So it is 22 watts, so I will see in the summer when I go on a trip. It won't take too long when I go on my first trip, so I will then review this one. So this has got USB connectors over here. So one port over here is 2.1 amps and the other one is 2.5 amps. I will see if it can go over that. Like for instance, my RAV power solar panels sometimes can give up to 2.7 amps while it is rated at 2.4. So maybe it can do even a little bit better. We will see how well this does. It will do me a lot. Even on a bad sunny day, I can charge one power bank with this one and then with every other solar panel another power bank. Then it can do only about a half amp. So this will come in very well for me. Thank you, Frank. I am very, very happy. I will test this all. I will be very brutal, I must say that, but I will see if everything will survive. I hope so. And if it doesn't, I will repair it, of course. So this was it, the show of my workspace and also the unboxing. I am very happy with all the products that I've gotten. So I will review each of them separately. I will also show how it will improve my room, because now I've got plugs everywhere and it isn't very healthy anymore. I am getting stuck in between all of those wires over here. So this will help me a lot. I will go on vacation soon, I hope, if my back turns out right. And then I will use this one. I am so happy to have gotten this. So that was it. I was not paid to do this. That I will want to say, but I did get all this for free. So everything is from bol.com. I will send you links for all these products. So thank you all for watching. I hope you liked my video. See you all later. Bye.